And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Yes, sir. I had to get you. I don't have 12 no more. I know you changed something out. Come on. What you done? What you done did to it, man?
2 SDD 18s and 2 Salt 8s.
The box almost looks similar, but yeah. Yeah, you close. Yeah, close.
You had to open the back door and check it.
Young MOVI.
It don't take much to get loud now, do it?
No! That was something different. Let's get one that really gets good.
Okay. You built everything yourself, didn't you?
No, I had somebody do it.
Yeah.
Man, I'm too old to be doing that kind of stuff.
So you just work the bass knob now, don't you?
That's it. I got some youngins that do it.
How you do it? That's it.
Ah, shit, I hit it with my hand.
Yeah!
Good seeing you, bro. Let me know they can find you on social media, man.
But TikTok, I think I'm 69.
Okay. I know how to find you, though.
You know how to find me.
Yeah, I'm going to tag him down over. Appreciate good seeing you,
Facebook
bro.
Kevin Spears.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
a Kev just like you.
Oh, yeah, that's good then.
Yeah, I'm a Kev, baby.
Appreciate it, man. I'll see you next time, bro.
Take care, brother.
YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.